Hi road trippers, this is Travel Towner, and today we have kind of a short but very important video because this may be gone someday soon. We are on the Strip in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, we're talking about the tram between the Mirage and Treasure Island Resort. Now, the reason it may be gone soon is that the Mirage is going under the knife and being turned into the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, and who knows if this tram will be still there or not. So let's check it out as it exists right now. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.